Okay, hi all, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. So today I have an opening of some coins that I bought on the internet. These are 1 shillings, I think they're all pre 1940. I thought I'd do a bit of an unboxing video. As you can see, I've just hidden my address there. It's a lot easier than trying to edit the video afterwards. So let's have a look at see what we've got. Okay, so I bought these on, actually bought these on eBay, and got them under spot price. Later on I'll explain to you how to get them under spot, because there's a lot of things that are overpriced on eBay. So I bought 17 of these 1 shilling coins. So I had a look at the picture and it didn't exactly say which years they were. Some from 1914 to 1940. So obviously anything before 1945 is 50% silver, and anything before 1916 is sterling silver. I had a look at the pictures and I could only see one I thought that was sterling silver, but let's have a look and see what we've got here. So here's the first one, very nicely worn, 1920, great coin, George V. So 1920, that's a 50% silver. Get a couple more. So here another 1920. Love these 1 shillings. 1922, also very worn, well, very flat. 1921, all 50% silver so far. There's another 1920, some fantastic coins. 1922, this one's in a bit better condition, not so worn. 1921. 1921 again. 22. These coins are all nearly 100 years old. 1914, so this one is sterling silver. 1927. 1921. These are all in actually really good condition. A few of them are worn, but they're still good condition. 1920. That's a worn one. So when I bought these, it didn't say the weight of them, so it was difficult to work out. Was that 1929? It was it's difficult to work out actually how much silver's there and how much to pay. But what I did was I saw that there was one sterling silver and the rest looked to me 50% silver. So I worked out what the spot price was, which I'll go through in a minute. Number 21. So yeah, there was one. Oh, so what's this one? 1934. So yeah, let me just quickly work it out, and I'll come back and I'll tell you exactly how much I paid for them, because I did it in my head. I normally just do it in my head, but I'll work out exactly what the total was, how much the spot price was, and how much I paid for them. Okay, be back in a minute. Okay, so because some of these are worn, I'm going to actually weigh them and get the exact weight rather than the weight they would have been when they were brand new. So let me just get the scales. So we've got one sterling silver. That's 5.43 grams. And we've got 16 that are 50% silver. Which is 87.44 grams. Right. Okay guys, right. So I took a screenshot when I bought these, and the silver spot price in pounds was 0.384, so 38.4p. I paid for these £14.90p, plus I had to pay £1.87 postage. So that was £16.77 I paid for these. So the sterling silver coin here weighed 5.43 grams. So if 92.5% of that's silver, that is 5.02 grams in there. And these 50%ers weighed 87.44 grams. So divide that by 2 is 43.72 grams. So if we add that together, that is 48.74 grams. So if the silver spot price was 38.4p, there's a total of £18.71 worth of silver at spot price, and I paid £16.77. Now, it's very difficult to buy silver at spot price, especially in the UK, because you have to pay VAT on silver, on new silver anyway. So if you look somewhere like, I don't know, on gold.co.uk, if I have a quick look on there, if you buy something like a silver Britannia 1 ounce, currently if you're only buying one, it's £24.12. So if we work that out, 48 is pretty much 1.5 troy ounces. So we'd be paying about £36 this would have cost us if we'd bought it from somewhere like gold, whereas it only paid £16.77. So that's how you buy silver in the UK for under spot price. But what you have to do is you have to be careful, because things like on eBay, people overcharge. You have to look, try and work out what's there, how much you think silver there is, and work it out from that. There's no point in, if people aren't being honest and there's coins that are hidden, you have to see the dates on them if they're not going to put the weights there, and work it out from that way. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Please do me a favour and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll speak to you next time. Thanks very much. Okay, bye.